So in year 2 we've been moving on to our next step with multiplication, or repeated addition as was introduced previously, and we've been looking at multiplying by 2. So one of the ways we can multiply by 2 is by using a number line, and it's quite a good visual way for the children to see how many groups of 2 they've multiplied. So seeing it on a number line is quite useful. So we've got 1 lot of 2, 2 lots of 2, 3 lots of 2, 4 lots of 2, 5 lots of 2, or quite simply 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So at the bottom here you can see 1 lot of 2 is 2, so here is 1 lot of 2 right there. Sometimes it's quite useful to see that as a little picture underneath so you can actually see them, and then 2 lots of 2 would be underneath here, and 3 lots of 2, and 4 lots of 2, and 5 lots of 2. So you can see the repeated addition. Now again, as you can see in the boxes here, we've got our 2 times table, and it's just been displayed in different ways because, just like addition, because multiplication is very closely linked to addition, it can be done in any order. So just to show you, 1 lot of 2 is 2, or 2 lots of 1 is 2. So the answer would still be the same. So when we're multiplying, the order can be swapped. Okay, so again, 5 lots of 2 is 10, 2 lots of 5 is 10. So here we have some examples of problem solving that the children have been carrying out in class. These are the kinds of things that you can repeat with the children at home or give them real life context. So if one bird has got 2 legs, how many legs have 2 birds got? So then we're hoping the children make the link to the multiplication. So if one bird has got 2, then 2 birds must have 2 lots of 2. So 2 lots of 2 is 4. And so on. So you could repeat this with things like toy cars. If one toy car has got 4 wheels, how many wheels have 2 toy cars got? And then you would hope that the children would go, that's 4 lots of 2, or 2 lots of 4. And then they'd be able to tell you that the answer, of course, is 8. So here we have another example. There are 6 bunches of cherries. There are 2 in each bunch. How many cherries are there altogether? So we can either look at that as 6 lots of 2 or 2 lots of 6. So you can see here 1 lot of 2, 2 lots of 2, 3 lots of 2, 4 lots of 2, 5 lots of 2, 6 lots of 2, or 2 lots of 6. There's 1 lot of 6 and there's another lot of 6. And finally, just a little challenge for you to see if you can work out at home. If there are 12 sausages in 1 packet, how many sausages are there in 2 packets? If you decide to have a go at this at home, of course, do send in your answers to your teacher, and they will be happy to share them and celebrate them with the class. And if you're able to think of your own word problems for some multiplication, even better. Send them into class and the teachers would be really pleased to see them. Well, that's all from me now. Bye bye.